Hi everyone, my name is Marwan Hussein, and this is just a quick overview to my new upcoming course about this guy. In this course, we will learn how to create Iron Giant from start to finish. I will cover modeling and unwrapping and rigging, sure, and texturing. Texturing will done inside Substance Painter, and after that, I will bring back the texture back to Blender to make the render with Cycle and Eevee. And this is the final result that we got. This is without render. Let's jump to the render so we could see the texture easy and go to the render, and let's give that a bit of time to make the render. Alright, cool. So now I'm in the render mode, and let's go and let's zoom in a bit here to see the detail here. This texture is 4K texture, it's highly detailed, and we will cover all of that. We will learn how to create this material from scratch and how to add the iron effect here in the edges and how to add dust here so we can make it a bit old. Let's go here from the back to see the details here. Let's take a look here. I just want to show you the final result that we got here. Even if you go closer here, the details will be still sharp and nice to have a shot at this close. This is the hand, and it's highly detailed here. The fingers. Let's take a look here. As you see. Alright, now let's talk about the rigging. I rigged all the necessary joint here, so you could move this correctly. And let's see how that's work. Let's try to move something here. For example, let's go here to the hand and let's grab one of these controllers and let's try to move this finger, hit R to rotate, and now as you see we have the ability to control the finger here and how it's moved, and this one as well. You can move it like that. In the hand we have controller to the hand here. You can move it like that, and you can rotate it if you want from this one, as you see here. And we use the IK system to rig the hand and the legs. IK is a shortcut for inverse kinematic, and this is how it works. Something like this. And we have the ability to control the elbow alone if you want. This is a controller of the elbow here. If you move this, you can control the elbow. And we can control the hips, as you see here. We can take this up and down, and and the legs will follow without any problem. You can rotate it if you want. For example, you can do something like this. Cool. In the chest as well, when you move the chest, this is the result that you will get. Something like this. And we have the ability to control the leg here. For example, check the result here. And we have a controller for the knee. We can control the knee itself like that. And we can control this piece as well, the shoulder, if you want to rotate this. So you have the ability to rotate this if you want to lift the arm up, something like this, and the other side as well. And for the head, you can control the head from this controller here. Let's hit R and let's try to rotate it, and as you see now it's rotating. And the jaw, you can rotate it as well, something like that. And even the eye, I added controllers to the eye here. Now you can close and open the eye as you want. And if you want to make it angry, you can rotate this controller, and now he is angry, as you see. And if you want to make it innocent, we can rotate this a bit here, and now it's innocent. Again, move this a bit, and now we have the eye fully opened. A very nice controllers, and I explained everything here in this course, how to create these controllers and how to add your bones and how to colorize them, how to make them different in color. I mean, add variation here in the color so you could recognize them. And we have this big controller here that will control the whole model, and you can scale this from this controller if you want to make it big, small, etc. So we will learn all of that here inside this course. Everything here is detailed and high resolution. The most beautiful thing about this course, this model is high resolution, but it not have too much polygon. I mean, if you hit Z and go to the wireframe here, as you see, we don't have much polygon. Check the chest. The chest is very complicated, but although we don't have much polygon here. And the other parts as well, the leg and the foot here. And that will help you if you want to have some animation here. The project will still light and not heavy on your computer. And you can reset all of these controllers. For example, I paused this to take this look. But if I want to reset everything, I will hit A to select all the bone here and hit Alt R, Alt G to bring back the robot to the normal state like this. Alright, so this is just a quick overview to this course. I hope you like it, and see you.